All right, hey, West Springfield students. I'm Mr. Fox. I'm one of the chemistry teachers here, and this video is going to hopefully help you decide if you're going to take honors chemistry next year, or maybe general chemistry next year, or maybe not chemistry at all, and maybe wait a year or two to take chemistry. So let's just jump into it. So what is the difference between honors chemistry and general chemistry? So we cover the same topics, the same material. Just in honors, we go a little bit more in depth. There might be one or two topics that we cover in honors chemistry that we don't cover in general chemistry, but for the most part, it's pretty much the same topics. In honors, we'll go at a faster pace, and we'll do some more challenging problems that go along with the same topics that general chemistry is covering. But in a sense, we do similar labs in honors that we do in general, and we cover the same topics, but maybe not necessarily in the same order. The big difference in honors in general is any honors science class, you have to do an IRP, an independent research project. So if you take general, you won't have to do an independent research project, but if you take honors chemistry, you will have to do an independent research project. The other thing you need to know is, whether or not you're kind of allowed to take honors chemistry, or do you have to take general chemistry? And that's really based on, how you're doing in math and what math you're taking. So for honors chemistry, you have to be in Algebra 2 at the same time you're taking honors chemistry. So if next year you're taking Algebra 2 or a higher level math, then next year you could take honors chemistry. But if you're not going to be in Algebra 2, or a higher math at the same time you're taking chemistry, then you are not allowed to take chemistry honors. Algebra 2 is a co-requisite for chemistry honors. Now, if you're thinking about general chemistry, because maybe you're not in Algebra 2 yet, or you're not going to be in Algebra 2 next year, we really recommend that you not take general chemistry unless you're going to be signed up for honors geometry at the same time. If next year your plan is to take general geometry, then we recommend that you take active physics and not take general chemistry at the same time. We recommend that if you're going to sign up for general geometry next year, that you wait a year to take chemistry. So next year you would take active physics, and then the year after you might decide to take general chemistry or honors chemistry. That is our recommendation as chemistry teachers. If you're going to take honors geometry, then yes, and you feel strong in math, then sign up for general chemistry. But if you're only going to take general geometry next year, then you might want to think about waiting a year before you take chemistry and take active physics next year. All right, so if you want to pause your screen, these are all the topics that we cover, not necessarily in this order, but this is all the stuff we get into in chemistry, and it doesn't matter if it's honors or general. Okay, we do many labs in both honors and general chemistry, and safety is our top priority. So yes, it's true, you get to play with fire every once in a while with a Bunsen burner, and mess around with some strong acids and strong bases and dangerous chemicals, but we take safety very seriously, and so just understand that there is some risk in taking a course like chemistry, but we make safety a top priority. So if you have strong math skills, but you're still on the fence on whether you should take honors or general, just understand honors might set you up a little bit better if you do decide to take AP chemistry down the road, but both courses are set up as a Chemistry 1 course, and they are both prerequisites for AP chemistry. So taking general chemistry, you can be successful in AP chemistry. It's just, hey, how much time do you have in your schedule? So you have to really be thinking about what are the other classes you're taking, how much homework are they going to assign versus how much homework honors chemistry versus general chemistry might assign. Do you have time in your schedule to take honors chemistry? Do you have time in your schedule to do an independent research project that will be time consuming outside of the classroom? And, if you're good at memorizing things, then honors chemistry might be good for you. If you don't like to memorize a lot of stuff, then maybe it's general chemistry. In honors chemistry, we make you memorize a little bit more than we would in general chemistry. But other than that, it's same math level, same math skills in both. It's just, we're going to go a little bit more in depth, more challenging problems, yet the same concepts. If you have any questions, if you want to see what our visible learning documents look like for both courses, honors or general, you can come by my classroom 3029 and talk to me, or you can send me an email and I can give you an electronic copy of the visible learning documents so you can compare and decide maybe what's best for you. And yeah, so any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to answer those.